Hello my friends, welcome. Today I will show you, at the occasion of the construction of my Happy Hour TV1 panels, I will show you how to make a long straight cut with a jigsaw. And this is the last theoretical lesson about the jigsaw, knowing that we have already seen how to make a short straight cut, how to cut sneaks, and how to cut a hole within the surface. Let's go. Basically, it's very similar to the short straight cut. There is still one difference, is that you have to ensure a good stability over the whole length of the board. And for this has been a bit improvised, but what is important here is that we have put here these two tables. This one I will put better. And of course, you have to make sure that there is not on the way of your blade any obstruction, otherwise you will cut what is below. And then for the marking, I will be using this aluminium ruler. This is the warranty of a good line in the whole length of the board. Here I will take the reference of 2 centimeters. Here I'm taking the reference from the opposite side because there has been already a cut, and I'm using the factory cut for making sure that the measurement is correct. Be careful when you're using such type of piece of wood for making the lines. You have to make sure in advance that they are straight. So for checking, it's very easy. You just put it on the floor, on a plain floor, and then you will see that it's touching everywhere. So we stay calm, we are very attentive to the line, and let's go. So you can see here that the cut is not so bad. Of course, it's not perfect because it's not with a circular saw, but I would say, given the size, this will make it for our sign. That's it, my friends. Before closing, I just wanted to share with you that I made a test in my lab of research and development of Happy Hour TV1. I tested the method using a guide for the jigsaw, and honestly this is not working well. I think the main reason is that the blade of the jigsaw is quite soft. So don't try to use the ruler as a guide for the jigsaw. As I said, you will never reach such good results than with a circular saw. For this, I invite you to have a look at my video about the circular saw.